Hey everyone, welcome back to another VIX Math Corner video. Today we have a video introducing variables. Students are usually thrown off when introduced to variables. Some people think of it as adding the alphabet to math, but I can assure you that variables eventually become easy to understand. So variables, just like numbers, serve some quantity. So on the whiteboard you can see that there's the number 5 and the variable x. So next to the number 5, we have 5 little squares, or my best attempt to draw squares. We come to realize that this symbol here of a 5 really just represents this amount of something, like that. So the same applies to variables. It's just we don't know immediately in terms of an easy number. But once you solve, you'll be able to do the same thing. So let's get into some examples just to understand this. This is a simple example where x plus 7 is equal to 10. So if we just look at the parts of this, we see an x being added to the number 7, and this value equals 10. So we definitely will teach you how to calculate these kinds of equations algebraically, but for now you may be able to realize that x here to satisfy this equation must be 3. Now we can always test it. So let's say we were to plug this back into the equation just to make sure that it's correct. We would see 3 plus 7 equals 10. Is that true? It is. So therefore the conclusion we came to, that x equals 3, is correct. Now let's move on to another example. Here we have y times 12 equals 120. So y is going to be some number that when multiplied by 12 is going to be equal to what we have on the right side, which is the value 120. So once again, we'll teach you how to calculate these kinds of things in future videos, but you may be able to see that y in this situation is equal to 10. Now, if we were to just go check, we would do 10 times 12 equals 120, which is correct. So just to clarify, for this example, we came in knowing that y was some value that we didn't know. But by solving this equation, we're able to eventually identify that y equals 12, or this quantity of 12. So variables will be something that follows you for the rest of your math career. It's relevant in Algebra 2, Pre-Calculus, Calculus, and beyond. In Algebra 1, for example, you'll be exposed to something called the coordinate plane, or the Cartesian plane, where every value is plotted in terms of x and y. So this is a very good concept to know early, and the better you understand this, the easier it'll be in the future. Thanks for watching this video. As always, feel free to drop any questions or comments in the comments section, and we'll catch you in the next video about like terms and how to combine them.